Yeah. Everybody able to see my screen, right? Okay. Now, guys, yesterday we discussed about what is that? Sharing rules. Okay. Now, guys, now as of now in the data level security, in the data level security, we are using OWD, org by default settings. Second one is on top of it, sharing rules. Okay. Now, third one. See, go to same object and go to OWD. So same object, guys, bed. Okay. Bed is in OWD. It is a private. Okay. Now I will remove the sharing rule now. Okay. I don't want to use sharing rule. I will remove it. Okay, done. Now bed is private. Private means everybody able to see their own data. Here, who is this guy? This guy is a Naresh. Naresh able to see his data, all other people data. Why? He is a system admin. Now we'll open Peter record. I'm logging with Peter. Okay. So one second, I open that. Yeah. Okay. Now, see, guys, this is the Peter. Already OWD. What is the OWD? But is a private. There is no sharing rule. But this private means this guy able to see his own data. Why? But this private. See here, you click on it. Why he's able? Oh, it is still Naresha. Okay, sorry, this is a Naresha card. Sorry. Go to this guy. Yeah. Now see, guys, here. This guy is a Peter, but is private, and there is no view all and modify all. That's the reason he's able to see what is that? This guy data. Okay. Now, guys, one more security. What is that? For example, we already discussed okay. We already discussed so many times, right? Every organization, for example, there is set of what is that? Designations, right? For example, CEO, every organization, CEO is there, then CFO, under CFO, like for example, vice presidents, vice president 1, vice president 2, something like that. So many people will be coming. So here, vice president 1 and 2, these people reporting to CFO. CFO is reporting to CEO. And now under vice president, what is that? For example, regional managers. REG manager 1. This guy reporting to this guy. These are the different not persons. These are the designations, guys. Okay. And this guy, regional manager 2. This guy reporting to this guy. Same like regional manager 3 is reporting to vice president 2. Under manager, regional managers are there. Under managers, manager 1, manager 2, like this. So these people are reporting to these regional managers. Under managers, we have a employees, employee 1, employee 2, employee 3, blah, blah, blah. These people report. So every organization, if you see, the structure will be available, guys. Every organization, the structure must be there, right? Wherever you go, for example, in the corporate office, for example, what is that? Amazon. Amazon CEO is there, under that CFO, blah, blah, blah. And what is that? Vice presidents are there, regional managers, employees. This structure should be exist every organization. So here, regional manager is a not a person, guys. These are is a designations. That means role. CEO is a one role. CFO is a one role. That means you are belongs to which role? You are a CEO role. For example, here John. John is a person. John is a person. He belongs to which role? That means his designation is what? He is a CEO. That means you can assign John to whom? CEO. So CEO is a role. Within the role, John is a person is available. Understand? These are the different roles. That means, first of all, you need to create, for example, in a hospital management system, first, the support people are asking to the hospital people, hey, can you tell me your hierarchy? Hierarchy means what are the roles are there, which people are, what is that, reporting to which people. Understand? So those people are saying that, hey, we have a CEO, we have a CFO, we have a vice president 1, vice president 2, then regional managers and employees, blah, blah, blah. So first, you need to create this hierarchy. First, you need to create this hierarchy. Okay. Then, for example, once it is done, these are called roles. These are called roles. Okay. Now, one of the guy is joined in the company, John. Okay. John is what? He is a employee. Then employees. Okay. Oh, he's an employee. Then John is, you can assign the which role? Employee role. Next, Peter is joined. Hey, Peter, what is his role? He's a vice president. Now you can add this guy to vice president. Okay. So you can assign this guy to vice president. For example, what is that? One more guy is joined, Suresh. Suresh is again employee. That means you can add this guy under employee's role. That means employee is a role within the two members are there. Vice president is a role within that one vice president is there. Understand? As of now, what I am saying, everybody? Role and persons, the difference. Everybody understood? This is the hierarchy. First, you need to create it in your organization. Then any new person is coming, you can add that guy to the respective role. Clear, everybody? Hello? The remaining people? Guys, clear? Everybody? Yeah. So what is the benefit of this? What is the benefit of, for example, if you are creating these roles, what is the benefit? We are easily said, what is that? For example, John is a person. Okay. In our organization, Where is the John? Then you can go to this role hierarchy. Okay, John is a employee role. Okay, he's reporting to whom? Manager one. Oh, that manager belongs to which team? Regional manager one team. That regional manager is under vice president Peter. So that means this guy hierarchy, you are easily understand where is this guy, in which area belongs to, in which branch belongs to. Understand? And other benefit is, for example, I told you, for example, this is the HDFC. So it is a Kukatpalli branch manager. Okay, this is Jubilee Hills branch manager. Role is. Okay, now if one of the guy is joined, okay, yes. For example, one of the guy, Ravan. So he's an employee under Jubilee Hills branch manager. Now, guys, this guy reporting to this guy. Okay, now understand, for example, now these are the different roles. With each role you are added the different people, employees. The employee may be direct employee, the employee may be branch manager, the employee may be CFO, the employee may be manager, the employee may be CFO, blah blah blah. Okay, so now guys, what is the benefit of this? One is to understand the structure of the organization. Second one is, for example, John creating 10 records. Now, these 10 records, who is able to see? This guy is reporting to this guy. That means this guy automatically able to see these 10 records. Why? This John, this is the employee role. This John belongs to, he's reporting to Kukatpalli branch manager. That means he's a next level. That means he's able to access John record, and Suresh is created 20 records. John is created 10 records. So these two people in the same row. That means Suresh not able to see. Why? Because you are already bed records are private. For example, here bed is there. Okay, bed is a private in the OWD. Private means Suresh create 20 records, he is able to see their own records. John is created 10 records, he is able to see their records. But Suresh and John, even though bed is private, who is the manager? Kukatpalli manager, branch manager. He is able to see Suresh plus John data. That means this guy able to see 30 records. Ravan created 40 records. So Ravan records, what is that? He is able to see. And this Ravan record, their manager, Jubilee Hills manager, he is able to see 40 records. But this Kukatpalli manager not able to see Jubilee Hills branch manager. Jubilee Hills branch manager not able to see Kukatpalli branch manager. Why? These two are in the same role. Same role. The below role people, these people are able to see. Understand, guys? Understand? But these two people data, this guy able to see. Why? These two people are belongs to regional manager. That means this guy able to see 70 records. Understand? Understand what I'm saying, everybody? 30 records only, not 40. What Jubilee Hills branch manager. Guys, understand what I'm saying? The structure, everybody. Please ping me, everybody. This is what we need, right? Security. Okay. Yeah. So if you are doing like this, Salesforce automatically provided this. What is the security, guys? You need to create your organization related. What is that? Roles and who is reporting to what, and add the persons. Okay. So in that case, what is the data level security automatically coming? You need to create the roles and add the persons. The data level security automatically coming. How? In the employee, 2 persons are there. Okay, he's employees. So Suresh not able to see John data. John not able to see Suresh data. Why? Both are in the same row. But Kukatpalli manager able to see these two people. Why? These two people reporting to this guy. Understand? So in this way, we are providing the data level security. Row wise, role wise. How? Go to already bed is a, what is that? A private. Now bed is a private means Naresh able to see 7 records. This guy able to see 2 records. Now we'll see. Naresh is, for example, here. Go to one second, guys. I'm getting call. 1 second. Sorry, guys. Okay. So now go to roles, guys. Okay. I want to create like this. Okay. So in the hospital management system, again, CEO, CFO, blah, blah, blah is there. If you go to here, see, these people are saying that roles under manage users roles. See here, what is that? There is some example diagram these people are provided, guys. What is that? Executive staff and Western sales director, under that Western sales representatives, blah, blah, blah is there. Now, that means this is one example. Now setup roles. See here, already salesforce.com, under that CEO is there. CEO one role is there. Here plus icon is there. Okay, click on it. Under CEO, CFO, COO, blah, blah, blah is there. Under CFO again, plus. Nothing is there. COO, nothing is there. Okay. For example, this is the default these people are provided. Now you can add who is the CEO. Who is the CEO? Okay. Assign the user. Who is the CEO? For example, Naresh. CEO assigned to whom? Naresh. Just assign to Naresh is a CEO. Save it. CEO is a Naresh. We are already added. Under CEO, CFO is there. Under CFO, if you want add role, or you can change this name. Under CEO, I want to change this name. Okay, or you want to change the CEO, you can change this. Why? Because what is that? Your role is CEO. Instead of CEO, you can add that. What is that? Hospital CEO. Hospital CEO. This role reports to this guy, not able to report to anyone. Why? CEO is a Superman, right? Role name also APA name. This. So this, see, hospital CEO, this guy reports to none. Why none? Why none? CEO is a Superman, right? Role name as display on the reports. In the reports, I will tell you, but you can use as this. Save it. I am changing the role to, what is that? Hospital CEO. Under hospital CEO, I need to create one role. Okay. These are the different roles. For example, under CFO, I need to create a same like this. CFO, Vice President. How to create it? Under CFO, add one more role. Click on it. Now see, who is this guy? Vice President. Vice President. This guy reports to whom? CFO. Right? Vice President reporting to CFO. Save it. Okay. Go to here. Now see, hospital CEO, then CFO. Under CFO, Vice President is there. Click on it. Under Vice President, what do you want? Regional Manager. 1, 2, 3. You can create n number of like this. Under Vice President, add role. For example, South Regional Manager. This is the role. Who is the South Regional Manager? That guy belongs to reporting to Vice President. Why? The top is Vice President. Save and new. Why? I want to create one more. This is the South and North. I will create one more. 2 members are there under Vice President. North Vice President. Sorry, North Regional Manager. North Regional Manager. He is also reporting to Vice President. Save it. That means under Vice President, 2 members are there. 2 roles are there. Now go to roles. What is that? Hospital CFO. Under CFO, Vice President is there. Under Vice President, North Regional Manager, South Regional Managers. Okay. Under North Regional Manager. Under North Regional Manager, Kokatpalli Brand Manager. I am directly creating the employee, guys. I'm not spending much time. Employees. Under North, who are the employees? Add one more role. Employee role. Employees. These guys are reporting to North Regional Manager. Now see, guys, same like South also, you can create employees role. Okay. Now see the structure. Forget about this. Hospital CEO, under CFO is there. Under CFO, Vice Presidents are there. Under Vice Presidents, North Regional Manager, South Regional. These are the roles, not persons. Now one guy is joined. John. So John is a CFO. Then go to CFO, click on assign. Then users are coming. Then add the user here and save it. Again, one more guy is joined. We don't have multiple users, guys. For example, in our case, Vice President, click on plus North. employees. Under North regional manager, employee is there. Who is the employee in our case? Peter, right? So CEO we are already added Naresh, and employee I need to add our Peter. Sorry, not this. Employee add assign to, who is the employee? Peter. Okay. Now see guys here. Now we have two users. Naresh, we are giving the role is hospital CEO. Employee, who is the employee? Peter. That means Peter, whatever he is able to create the data automatically CEO able to see. Why? This guy on top, employee on top, CEO is there. CEO able to see all this data. But employee is not able to see their high level data, high roles data. Why? Employee, under that there is no roles. So employee data, North Regional Manager, Vice President, CFO, CEO is able to see. But employee not able to see these are all the people data. Why? Employee is a least position. Understand what I'm saying, guys? Understand? Yes. Top level people always able to see subordinates data. Understand, guys, everybody? Guys, please ping me. Understood, everybody? Guys, forget about that profile here. Trini, why you are talking the profile? Don't mix it. Profile is completely different here. Okay, now guys, see here. Who is that? Naresh is a CEO. So Naresh, whenever he's opened, he's able to see all the data. Forget about his administrator. He's able to see Naresh data and Peter data. Now, this guy, who is that? Peter is an employee. If you click on it, okay, fine. This is, if you are not apply that role hierarchy also, fine. Now I will reverse it, guys. Suddenly, this employee become a CEO. This CEO become a employee. Okay, we'll see. Why? In that case, who is the employee? Peter. Peter able to see Naresh data. We'll see whether it is possible or not. Overnight, what is that? This employee, who is the employee? Peter became a CEO, like movie. Okay, so become a CEO. Now this CEO become an employee. Now we'll see what happened. So go to assign. Who is this guy? Remove Naresh. See, Naresh, we are already removed, but Peter is not coming. Why? Peter, you are already assigned one role. One guy, one role. Okay. So remove it first. Save it. Now, employees. Who is employee? System admin. Naresh is employee now. Naresh is employee. Peter, we are removing it. Now Peter is a CEO. I will add Peter as a CEO role. CEO is a, who is that guy? Peter. Now we'll see Peter is a CEO. Now employee become a CEO, CEO become an employee. In that case, who is CEO? Peter. Under Peter, who is this guy? Naresh. That means Peter able to see Naresh data. Then only role hierarchy is working. Understand? Understand, guys, everybody? See, CEO, Peter now. Employee, who is this guy? Naresh. Even though Naresh is an admin, but employee is a Naresh. That means Naresh data, who is the CEO? Peter. Peter able to see. Understand? Guys, all the people. Hello? The remaining people. The other people. Only few members are pinged me. What about remaining? Okay. Now see, guys. This guy anyhow, he's the administrator. he's able to see all the data. He's an employee or whatever. First of all, he's the admin. Okay. Now, who is the CEO? Peter. Under Peter, Naresh is there. That means Naresh, how many records are there? These five. These five, as a CEO, he's able to see. We'll see. Got it? Got it? Why? Even though Bud is a private, but Naresh, Peter role is compared with the Naresh, it is a high level, next level. That is the reason Peter able to see, even though Bud is a private, in the role hierarchy wise, what is that? Peter is superior of the, what is that? Naresh. That is the reason Peter able to see subordinate data. Who is the subordinate? Naresh. Okay, got it. Everybody got it. But we have only 2 users, guys. In the real time, we have n number of users. You can assign multiple users in the different roles. This is called roles and what is that? Subordinates and role hierarchy. How in the real time it is working. This is called, what is that? Next level of security. What is that? Security here. We are sharing the data in the role wise. That's the reason it is a role hierarchy. This is the third one. Okay. Through role hierarchy also, we can control the data. Now, again, I will change this role to, what is that? CEO again. I will change it. CEO again, Naresh. I will remove the role hierarchy. Again, CEO is a, or I don't want to use roles now. Role hierarchy. That means it is empty roles are there. There is no users. I told you, right, Srini, whenever you are using view all or modify all, these all are not work. Directly you are able to see the data. Why, in that case, why are you using these concepts? Okay, now there is no persons here, guys. So again, what is that? Naresh is a admin. Naresh able to see all the data. That means role hierarchy, we are not added any persons. Now this guy, Peter, it is a private data. Private means, again, if the employee is able to see their data. Got it? That means I'm removing the role hierarchy. Okay. So in the role hierarchy wise, I told you HDFC example, blah, blah, blah. So those all are come under role hierarchy. Okay. Why? Because the branch manager able to see managers data, managers able to see subordinates data, subordinates able to see their employees data. Those are all, these people are using role hierarchy concept. Srini, understood, right? If you are using view all or modify all, these will not work. I told you yesterday with the help of diagram as well. Okay. Yeah. Now, guys, but some cases, Naresh, Naresh going to again, what is it? Vacation. He is a manager. He want to share only specific records. If you want to share specific records, which concept we are using in the data level security? Specific records. If you want to share to the other people specific records, which concept we are using? The other people, good Srini, the other people. If you want to share specific records, good Swati, good Chandrika, not sharing settings, sharing rules. Okay. Yeah. So if you want to share yesterday, based on condition, we are sharing the records, we are using sharing rules concept. But now, irrespective of condition, for example, Naresh want to share, what is that? This record 001 and 005. Manually, What is that? He want to share this record is this record. There is no specific condition. In that case, that means this guy able to share these records manually. To whom? Whatever people they want. In that case, click on this manual sharing. Click on this. Here, see, sharing button is there. Sharing button is there. So now, Naresh, click on the sharing button. Add which people you want to share. Naresh want to share specific people. What is that? Click on users. Which user? See here. Do you want to share the users or set of roles? See, these are the specific role people. Now you can understand, right? What is the role? Online people, everybody. Previously, these roles are coming. I told you. I will tell you later. Now these are the roles. That means every role set of people are there. One guy or multiple guys, something. If you want to share this record to, what is that? Hospital employees, these employees. Select it. I want to share users. Which user? Which record? Bed 001. Naresh record. He want to share Peter. Or he want to share roles and subordinates. He want to share public groups. Okay, anything. He want to share 0012 to Peter. What is access level? Read only. Or read write. Read only. That means Peter able to see the record, but he's not able to modify it. Save it. So manually, what is that? Manually, Naresh shared 001 record to whom? Peter. Now see, Peter. Click on Peter. 001 is coming. But what is the mode? What is the mode? It is a manual sharing. It is a read only. Naresh is sharing 001 record in the read only format. Read only means if you click on it, it shouldn't work. Why? It is a read only mode. Once this record work is done, then he will revert back the changes. What is that? Delete it. That means please stop the sharing. Why? It is a sensitive data. Now, now again, Peter, open the record, click on it. 001 gone. So in this case, what is that? Pete Naresh able to share these records one by one manually. That is the reason this is called, what is that? Manual sharing. Manual sharing, very easy. Understand? Understand, guys? Everybody? Guys, please reply immediately, guys. Please. Then only we are going. The lag is there. Please reply immediately. Then we'll go to next, right? Why are you wasting our time? Okay. Yeah. So total. Sorry. These are the 4 concepts we are using for what? For what, guys? Sharing the what? Data. Sharing the data. Okay. So here, can you tell me, guys, which one is more secure? Do you use sharing rules in role concept only? Yes, wherever the roles are coming, you can use it. Guys, which one is more secure in the 4 options? Out of these 4 options, which one is more secure? Different people. Yes, Chandrika, correct. See, guys, very simple. OWD, for example, you have 1000 records. If you are applying the OWD, all 1000 records are shared to other people. Sharing rules, for example, based on the condition. For example, condition means 500 records are sharing. Role hierarchy, all records are sharing to higher people. Manual sharing, what is that? You can select the specific one and share it manually. That is the reason this is more secure. That means whatever record you are sharing, you know, right? You are manually checking and sharing it. So that means compare with this, all manual sharing is a more secure. Why? Because before you are sharing the record, you are already check the record by whom you want to share it. All are you are do manually. Okay, single records you are doing it. So that's the reason more secure manual sharing. Okay. Now one more, guys. For example, Naresh is the CEO. What is that? Admin, right? Naresh is admin. Naresh, please remember, Naresh able to log in. Naresh is Superman, right? So he is having all access. Now Naresh want to log in as a Peter. Is it possible? Naresh want to log in as a Peter. But if Naresh want to log in as a Peter, Peter username Naresh knows. But what about the password? Understand? Understand my requirement? Some cases, guys, what is the necessity? Why Naresh is wants to log in as a Peter? Some cases, Peter unable to see some records, unable to see some what is that content, something, unable to see some components. In that case, as a system administrator, this guy log in, this guy set up the configurations and log in as a Peter. Why it is not working? Understand? Okay. So in that case, Peter able to share the password to Naresh, then only it is possible. But no, don't share the password. It is a secure device. It is not correct. But he's a admin, right? That is the reason in the admin in the Salesforce having the option called, one option already Salesforce provided. Before every user, we need to enable the login button here. Login button, only the login button will be available for only system admin, not other people. Understand? Whenever login button is there, that guy, the Naresh is come to Peter, I want to log in as a Peter, click on the button, automatically log in the Peter without enter the username and password. Then problem will be resolved. Understand? How? In that case, if you want to enable the login button for every user from the system administrator, we have one option called user management settings. These all are interview questions and skill based questions. Go to here. Not user management, actually. There is one option is there. Users. We have one option, guys. The option. 1 second, why it is not coming? Yes, what is the option called? Login, login access policies. Login access policies. Here, see, administrator can log in as any user. That means admin want to log in as other user. If you enable this option, automatically will see all admins. Here Naresh IT is admin, right? Naresh IT is admin. Then whenever Naresh is open, all users, see what is coming? Login button is coming. Now, as a Naresh, he click on the login as a Peter. See, it is automatically, see, logged in as a Peter. Peter account is coming. Understand? Who logged in? Naresh. Why? He's an admin. He's having the superpowers. Admin wants to log in as other guy. Then what is the option? Go to login access policies and check this checkbox. Then admin able to come. Now Naresh. The session will be expired, guys. Why? Because we are using same session, right? Yeah, Naresh 14th batch.com. Why? What is the username, guys? Naresh IT. Okay. Session expired, guys. Okay. Now again, is coming now session. The same session is coming. Naresh. See, the login buttons are enabled. When it is enabled, what is the option? Login access policies. Here, click the checkbox. If you don't require, uncheck it. Then these buttons automatically disabled. Understand? Understand everybody? Understand everybody? Yeah. Now, guys, now one more. As of now, what we covered? Security. Which type of security? App level security, data level security, org level security. App level security, what concept we are covered? App level security, tell me. If anybody asking security, you need to tell them this total movie. Okay? App level security. What is the app level security? Profile and yes, good guys. Permission sets. App level security we can achieve through profile and permission set. Data level security. What is the data level security? First, OWD, org by default settings. Second one is sharing rules. Third one is role hierarchy. Fourth one is manual sharing. Org level security. Within the org level security, we discussed only password protection. Right? Password policies we are in the org. See, total security divided into three parts: app level, data level, org wide. App level profile and permission set completed. Data level OWD sharing rules, role wise, manual. Org level password policies. And one more, the org level. For example, if your project is very sensitive project, for example, banking related application. Banking related application, if you are working, so those people will not allow what is that the implementation part in your work from home something. Why? Because that code, if you want to share to some other people, what happened? It is very easy to crack the database or what is that code, right? For example, Bank of America, these people, what is that? Whenever bank related, very what is satellite related, some sensitive related applications we are doing, at that time, what is that? We need to provide the org access. Hey, this org must be open within the office what is the premises. Out of the office, even though that guy is trying, don't open it. We are restricting the org access in the specific areas. Understand? So that is the reason, guys. If you remember, in IT industry, we have a proxy. Some people are learning the Salesforce in Amirpet or Hyderabad. Those people getting the job in US. Okay, once those people are getting the job, what happened? Those people are taking the proxy help. That means instead of that guy, someone doing the work. So in that case, that guy in US, guys, in US, this guy is open it. Okay, this guy is open the org. So whenever that guy is open the org, wherever he opened, okay, that network related IP, this org will be tracked. Okay, this org will be tracked. For example, see, login history. See, these are the login history. This is the security, guys. See, every month or something, okay, these people are download this file and checking it. See, login, what is the IP? This is the source IP. This is the source IP. Same IP every day. This is the, what is that? This is the Naresh IT IP. This is my home IP. That means, what is that? If these people are changing this IP, here we are easily track it. Okay, IP is changed. That means this guy is open the org in some other network. Then immediately you will get the call. Security, the security team will be calling you. Hey, for example, in the US, you are in work, you are giving the access. What is that? Username and password to India. Okay, in India, there is a support guy. Open your org to do the work. So immediately IP is changed. US IP is different. India IP is different. Immediately you are getting the call. So many people are saying that how those people knows if I'm open the org in US and the same org if I open the India, how the security team will be what is that identified. This is the way. Understand? For example, the second one is I want to restrict the access. That means this org uh, only this org, the specific guy, only open that org, only specific IP, not every IP. That means within the office, not outside the office. Then which user? Go to that user first. Go to that user. For example, Peter. Peter wants to open specific IP. Then here, see, second. Able to remember these options, guys. See, trusted IP ranges. Trusted IP ranges. That means these people are adding the, guys, these are all small concepts, but you need to club together in the security, under security. So trusted IP range. What is the IP of your address? What is that? Your office or something. You can add it. Then this org, which org? This org, the batch 14 org. Everybody open within this range of the IP, not outside of the IP. Understand? Understand, guys? So here you can add that IP range. You know, right? How to find the IP of your internet. So in the office, the administrator will be adding the IP range here. That means you are not able to, for example, Peter, whenever that guy is open, that within this IP range, that guy org will be open, login. Outside the IP, immediately whenever you are open somewhere else, then immediately the notification going to the security team. Got it? Got it? What is known as trusted IP? This is also org level security. Got it, guys? Got it? Yeah, that is come under Sajid. That is come under profiles and the right. Okay. Now third one we already discussed. Always, for example, customer support people always, he is India, these people in the morning shift 10 to 6. So how do you decide it? Using anybody 10 to 6, we need to, that guy will be not login hours. No, we are already decided, right? Business hours. I already, in the case escalation, I told you. So business hours, organization business hours. So yeah, organization business hours. This is decided in what time. So this org will be open in what time, something like that. Okay, these all are come under, what is that? Org level security. So this is the total concept of security, guys. Okay. Understand, guys? Any questions, anybody? This is one concept, security. Any questions, anybody? Everybody understood, guys? Now you can practice it in your org. Okay? Yeah, tell me. Meanwhile, anybody having any questions, guys? Thanks, Azit. Arey man, roles and profiles are different. Role means what is your designation. Profile means which application do you want to access, which fields do you want to access, which what about that profile? Nothing but what is the profile is covered. App, tab, object, fields, blah blah blah. That means one of the guys come to your organization. That guy, which application you want to give the access, which tab you want to give the access, which page layout you want to give the access. That is come under profile. Role means what is your designation. You are a CEO, or you are a developer, or you are a sales representative. That is called role. Understand? Profile is different, role is different. Got it, Srini? Profile nothing but in your application, what is the components you need to give the access. Role nothing but your designation. Hey, I am the developer, I am the CEO. That is called role. Got it? Thanks, Ajit. Thanks for feedback. Any questions, anybody? Anybody wants to talk to me? Anybody wants to talk to me? Anybody having any questions? Okay. So then, what? What? Chandrika? Yeah. Anybody having any questions or anybody wants to talk to me? Tell me. Otherwise, yeah. So what is the next class? I will tell you. Just introduction, then we'll stop the class. For example, in every organization, guys, you are the employee of the organization. You need one leave. Okay. You need to tell to your manager. How to tell to your manager, guys? Did you call them, call to that guy? For example, you are an IT employee. Okay, you need some. You need to go. You will go to vacation. That means you need some leave planning. How to inform to your manager? By mail. In the corporate companies, we are using mail. Srini, tell me, how did you apply your leaves, man? Tool, which tool? Right? We have a tool, right? We have a tool. What is the tool? Whenever you are open that tool, that means tool nothing but application, right? Within the application, what is that? One tab is coming. What is the tab? Leave request something. Leave request, for example, this is the tab is there. Okay. Within the tab, what do you want? What you do? What you are? You will add the content here. What is the first one? What is your start date? Start date. And what is your end date? When your leave is started, when it is ended. Next, then reason. Good. What is the reason? All the people say that my grandfather expired or my grandmother is expired. Those people will expire multiple times. Okay. Yeah. Next, reason. Then type of leave. Good. What is that? Type of leave. What is the type of leave? Maybe sick leave, maybe casual leave, maybe sick leave, casual leave, sick leave, casual leave, some other guys, ladies like maternity leave, something like that. Okay, these are the leave types are there. Okay, not vacation leave, not there. By vacation leave come under casual. When I okay, maternity, this is for gents and ladies as well, but gents having less leaves, women's having more. Okay, this is the leave type. This is enough. This is enough, right? This is enough, I think, right? What is the start date? What is start date? For example, 3 next month. 1 second, guys. Yeah. Earning leaves. Okay. Okay. Start date 3/3. Sorry. 3/3/24. Ending date. For example, 10 days. 13, 3/24. Reason. Going to vacation. Going to vacation means what is the type? Sick. Your manager will beat you. What is the type? Casual. Right? And submit it. Now what happened? If you submit it, what happened? What happened, guys? Waiting for approval. From whom? It is going for approval. To whom? From your manager. That means you need to send your request to manager. Now manager, what is that? What he will do? Maybe approved or rejected or any other. For example, you are asking 10 days. Okay, you are the key role of your team. So, but manager nicely tell that, hey, for example, Ashok, hey Ashok, I'm not giving the 10 days due to our, what is that, our project deadlines. Can you please take now, for example, 5 days, the next time, that means in the next, once our project will be released, deployment is done, then I will give you 10 days. That means in that case, what is that? Modify the content. Please modify. These are the buttons in the manager side. Manager click on approval. How do you know this is approved? How do you know this guy? Okay, my manager is approved. How do you know? or this guy is click on rejected. How do you know this guy is rejected? This guy is modified and send the content. Hey, Ashok, can you please change the content, change the dates? I will give you the dates. As of now, you can take the 5 days. How do you know? In that case, how to track it? How to get this message to here? These all are come under one concept called, we'll tell you next. Okay, we'll do in the next class. Okay, this is the introduction of the next class. Instead of leave request, I am working with opportunity. One opportunity record is there. Okay, Ashok is working on opportunity. First, Ashok is working on the opportunity. This is the very high opportunity. Then Ashok asking the permission to their manager. Hey manager, okay, can I work on this? Manager is approved. Then Ashok start the working on the opportunity. Okay, the manager rejected. Then Ashok is not working on that opportunity. Modify. This guy say that, hey Ashok, you can work on it, but not now. After 10 days, you can start the work. So not only leave request record, opportunity, different scenarios. We need to, here our concept is whatever you are work, whatever you will do, you need to inform to your respective hierarchy, the next level hierarchy, and get the approvals. Okay, so in this case we are using one concept. We'll discuss on Monday. Okay guys, clear everybody? Guys, any feedback please? Why? Because your feedback is very helpful for me. Is it awesome? Is it good? Or is it bad? Just give me. Why? Because only once it is done, our admin part, 90% admin part is done. Speed is little bit high. Okay, then guys, speed means I'm what about that? Explain the same concept again and again. If you remember, same concept in the first time I'm going very slow. Next time same concept I see explain in the second time little bit speed. The remaining people, yeah, I will consider Pankaj. Okay. Thank you, Sanjay. The remaining people, please. Why I'm asking means this is very helpful for me in the next concepts as well, for you as well. If you are not, why? Because see, guys, here now there is no face-to-face introduction, right? I don't know how you are feeling, right? How you are felt that. I'm just explaining the online. I'm just explaining the whoever come to offline because based on their face expressions, I'm repeating that. But in your case, I don't know. That's the reason every like 2 to 3 days or every concept or every hour I'm asking the feedback. Okay. How to study? Yeah. Practice it, man. All good for me. The examples are very related to easy understand. Sometimes I forgot. No, it is just practicing, man. That is the only practice. If you are practicing same, I will tell you, I all told you, first concept is completed, then second concept. Once second concept is completed, whenever you start the second concept, then first concept plus second concept. Whenever you start the third concept, first concept, second concept, third concept. In that case, 2 minutes, guys. In that case, for example, first concept, it is taking in the first time 2 days. Second concept, it is a 3 days. Whenever you are start the third concept, you can start first concept. At that point, it is not taking 2 days. 1 day plus second concept. 3 days means 1.5 days plus third concept. It is taking 4 days. For example, why? Because new. Whenever you start the fourth concept, again first concept. What is that? 1 day. Now again you don't want to detail. Why? Because you are already, this is the third time. In that case, it is off day. It will be taking off day. And this 1.5 day means it is like 8 hours or 1 day plus fourth concept, for example, 5 days. Whenever you start the fifth concept, first concept off day, now it is a 3 hours plus 1 day, it is a 6 hours or 4 hours plus this fifth concept. What is it? This concept is 2 days. Plus new concept, fifth concept. It is 2 days again, 3 days. Now sixth concept. Whenever you start sixth concept, first day, first concept 3 hours, right? Now it is 1 hour. See, the first concept, if you are repeated every time, whenever you start the new concept, what is that? You are see the same concept multiple times, then what is that? The time will be reduced. This is the way of practicing, guys. Otherwise, one concept, second concept, for example, you are going to 30th concept, then it will be taking what is that, 1.5 months, then the first concept you forgot it. That's the reason if you are practicing like that, you will be succeeded. This is the way of doing. I am doing like this. I am doing any concept like this, guys. Okay, got it? Yeah, Pankaj, thank you. Awesome explanation of concept using explanation flowcharts is very easy to understand and easy to reverse concept for me. Thank you so much, Rishita. Sir, what is the difference between sharing rules and manual sharing? Sharing rules means it is a based on condition. 1,000 records are there. Out of 1,000 records, for example, 1,000 opportunities are there. I want closed won opportunities. It is a out of 100 is coming. Manual sharing means you are going to opportunity, select one record and share it manually, one by one record. Understand? Sharing rules, bulk records you are sharing based on condition. Manual sharing, open the record and sharing manually. Understand, Chandrika? Yeah. Thank you, guys. Happy weekend. We'll see you on Monday. Bye, guys. Please practice it. Okay. Once the approval process are done, we are going to the what is that? Apex coding. Again, end of the lightning. Again, we are come to the admin, guys. Please practice it. Please practice it. Okay. Maybe Monday or Tuesday onwards, we are jump to the coding. Okay. Don't miss the classes. Thank you.